Meaning of fumigation.
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 Fumigation. Fumigation is a method of pest control that involves using chemical gases to eliminate insects, rodents, and other pests from enclosed spaces, such as buildings or storage containers. During the fumigation process, a highly toxic gas is released into the sealed area, which penetrates porous materials and kills any pests present. After treatment, the area must be ventilated to ensure that the gas dissipates and is no longer a health hazard. Fumigation is an effective way to eliminate pests in a short amount of time, but it should only be performed by trained professionals due to its potential dangers.